Hey guys, and welcome back to Misha's Corner. So today I'm going to be making a whole roasted lemon pepper snapper. So let's get into it. I'm not even going to hold y'all up. We're going to get through this video. Excuse my ghetto aluminum foil holding down my parchment paper, y'all. It kept curling up, so I had to do what I had to do. On the parchment paper, you want to add some butter and some lemon slices. This recipe can be used with any kind of fish you prefer. I did put down some lemon pepper. That's my whole snapper that I washed with vinegar and lemon juice. That's why the eyeball look half dead, because I washed the fish to death. And you want to season it inside and out with your favorite lemon pepper. I use my own brand lemon pepper, which will be back in stock next month. So make sure you guys subscribe to my channel and turn your notifications on so you could be notified when my spices go back in stock. So you want to season the entire fish. On top, I'm going to add some more pieces of butter and lemon slices. I know it looks like a lot of butter, but I swear it's only like 2 tablespoons, and I cut it up into small little cubes so it can be cute. So you then want to put on the inside, lemon slices, butter, and some fresh thyme or the fresh herb that you prefer or have on hand. And that's pretty much how I seasoned it. So I'm going to wrap it up, pop it into the oven, and I'll show you guys what that looks like. Alright, so to go alongside, I just have a quick little simple salad. I didn't want much. It's just some greens, some Parmesan cheese, some crispy jalapeno, tomatoes, and a little ranch. And that's pretty much what I'm going to eat with the fish. But you can put it with anything. Mac and cheese, potatoes, put whatever with it. I just wanted salad. So this is my fish after about 20 minutes. At this point, it's cooked. However, I'm going to show you guys how I test it to make sure it's cooked. I didn't dig too much into it because I do have to take my pictures. I decided to put the juices over the fish and pop it back into the oven because I wanted a little more color on there. So as you can see, I didn't even use salt and pepper. All I used was my own seasoning, which is the best lemon pepper seasoning on the market. So make sure you guys cop that next month. And I'm going to show you guys what it looks like right out the oven right here. It's so beautiful. I just love the spice. It's so beautiful. You don't need nothing else. And yeah, so this is what the fish looks like once it's done. It's so flaky and it's so delicious. Look at that, you guys. Oh my god. Look how flaky this fish is. Tender.